everyone, I'm Pooja.
I'm Pratyush. We welcome you all back to our YouTube channel, The Tiny Treasures. In this video, we are going to take you around Port Blair's Durga Puja. Yes, I know this video was long overdue and finally here it is. Durga Puja is undoubtedly the most anticipated part of the year for us.
My memories of Pujo is wrapped up in the folds of my school days. When I moved away from home, Pujo became a distant emotion. Anyways, for the last 2 years, the essence of Pujo got revived. As Pratyush and our friends leave no stone unturned to make it all extra special with all-night pandal hopping and house parties. So this year, I just thought it would be a real deal to take every one of you around with me in and around Port Blair and discover the Pujo vibe in a distant island of India.
Let me tell you, Pujo is celebrated widely here. Though we couldn't travel to other islands to capture them this time, specifically North and Middle Andaman.
I'm told Diglipur's celebration is one of a kind. We must visit there.
We hope to cover it this year.
The remarkable thing about Port Blair's Pujo is, unlike the mainland, the club culture is a miss. There are no breathtaking monumental pandals or hyped themes of the decoration. Rather, here everybody partakes in the Pujo very religiously. Various community halls organize the festival and people love sticking to their nearest community hall to witness the Pujo. Most wholesome part for me was to know that each and every community hall distribute free of cost unlimited prasad throughout these 4 days. A proper dine-in arrangement is kept at every pandal and a sumptuous meal is offered to every passerby, which is so unique and heartfelt gesture, quite unlike the mainlands.
We are associated with Devgandhar Sangeetalay. For the last few years, they are hosting their Pujo in Andhra Association Hall. This Pujo was started by Sudeep sir, my teacher in school, and his mother, which now has transformed in size.
In these past couple of years, the spirit of Pujo has evolved for me. Yes, of course, the shopping, the pandal visits, partying all exist, but watching the Pujo from such close quarters, the Shondhe Arati, the Shondhi Pujo, the partaking in the process of Pujo from onset to finale has been so mesmerizing.
As we take you through this video, you will be able to see the wholesomeness approach to Pujo which uniquely and exclusively prevails in this far-flung land.
I personally love the sanctified aura of the RK Mission Pujo. It feels divine to witness the Pujo orchestrating in perfect symphony without any added glitz. Bengali Club or Otul Smriti Samiti is a very popular Bengali hub in Port Blair. People gather here not just for the pujo but also the amazing Dandiya night on Navami evenings.
With heavy showers interrupting the crowd on the street, it was time for some Pujo Adda and Gaan, which is pretty common at our home here. We frequently have this massive get together and the music plays till the wee hours of the morning. The karaoke nights are a huge hit with our friends and extended groups, and Pujo nights are just the better additions.
কোথায় ফুল পাইলাম বলিতে পারি না, কিন্তু সেই প্রতিমার পদতলে পুষ্পাঞ্জলি দিলাম। ডাকিলাম সর্বমঙ্গল মঙ্গলে, শিবে আমার সর্বার্থ সাধিকে, অসংখ্য সন্তানকুল পালিকে, ধর্ম অর্থ সুখ দুঃখ দায়িকে, আমার পুষ্পাঞ্জলি গ্রহণ করো। এই ভক্তি প্রীতি বৃত্তি শক্তি করে লইয়া তোমার পদতলে পুষ্পাঞ্জলি দিতেছি। তুমি এই অনন্ত জলমণ্ডল পরিত্যাগ করিয়া এই বিশ্ববিমোহিনী মূর্তি একবার জগৎ সমীপে প্রকাশ করো। এসো মা, ঘরে এসো, নবরাগ রঙ্গিনী, নববলদধারিণী, নবদর্পে দর্পিনী, নবস্বপনদর্শিনী। এসো মা, ঘরে এসো, 6 কোটি সন্তান একত্রে এককালে 12 কোটি করজোর করিয়া তোমার পাদপদ্ম পূজা করিব। 6 কোটি মুখে ডাকিব, মা প্রসূতি অম্বিকে, ধাত্রী ধরিত্রী ধনধান্য দায়িকে, নগাঙ্ক শোভিনী নগেন্দ্র বালিকে, শরৎ সুন্দরী চারুপূর্ণ চন্দ্র ভালিকে। ডাকিব সিন্ধু সেবিতে, সিন্ধু পূজিতে, সিন্ধু মথনকারিণী, শত্রুবধে 10 ভুজে 10 প্রহর ধারিণী, অনন্ত শ্রী অনন্ত কালস্থায়িনী, শক্তি দাও সন্তানে, অনন্ত শক্তি প্রদায়িনী।
After rigorously participating in the pujo all day, it is quite a task to get ready and leave home for the night, only to wake up early next day for the puja again. And so our coverage has been limited in this video. As we are getting a hang of vlogging, we plan to do a better job this year around.
Chatham Bridge gets very busy during the Bhashan. It is here that Port Blair's Pujo comes to an end, as we await it till next year. আসছে বছর আবার হবে। People generally gather here to watch the associations queuing up for their turn to cross the bridge and immerse the idols with teary eyes and beaming hopes, as the countdown begins right there for the next year. As it is said, hope is a good thing to have, and we hope this coming Pujo we all find hope for new beginnings and great continuity. After Bhashan, it's time to sit down for a great dinner at the Andhra Association Hall.
See you soon with a new video. Until then, take care. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video so far, do let us know and kindly share and like the video.